Makhosi Nation Dumela, sibuyile futhi. Sibuye namhlanje no-Happy Mashiyane. I have a few things engifuna ukuzisho ngo-Happy Mashiyane. Ngixolisa, I haven't been making any videos kule nsuku ngishawa umkhuhlane oserious. So ngizokhuluma nje Makhosi Nation ngo-Happy Mashiyane. A boy uqhamuka kwi-development ye-Chiefs, got promoted, dlala senior team, served the club, played very well. Even though ufike ngesikhathi like many other players ze-Chiefs in the last 10 years, izinto zingahambi kahle kwi-Chiefs because Chiefs has not been doing well for a while now. We haven't been picking up cups, we haven't been playing finals, we've been losing to TS Galaxy, bengawo promoter. We lost it to Milford. Well, he was not playing at the time. Sidlala no Milford, but we haven't been doing well for the longest time. So okay, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngaye. So abantu abaningi uHappy bamfisela i-loan because he's not playing, but okay, it's best if engadlali and coach ethi akekho emaplanini yakhe amhambise ayothola game times somewhere else. Well, it looks like ucoach wethu unawo amaplani akhe because nangu Happy engareleaswa. If anything, isimbona more and more kuma-training sessions. Team uma ihamba iya kuma-pre-season games, akasali ne-reserve team, uyahamba ayodlala. Kusho ukuthi uke emaplanini ka-coach. Mina-ke njengekhosi, it's a story engifuna lo mbhemu lo asiqede. Ukuze ku-wrestling kuthiwa but uJohn Cena wabuya wazothi no, it was not John Cena but the other guy, wathi ngifuna ukubuya ngizoqedela i-story sami. I wish the same for Happy. This guy is adaptable to coaches abahlukahlukene. Has got experience at Champions League. He played with Champions League at a very tough time with Chiefs. Izinto zingahambi kahle, singabasayini abadlali, owayekhona uyena owayekhona. But they played, bahamba baze bayofika kwi-final ye-Champions League. Singasayini badlali. There's a league ngapha, there's ama-cup ngapha, there's a Champions League ngapha, but they managed ukudlala baze bafike kwi-final ye-Champions League. Unfortunately for him, he got i-red card nge-final silane Al Ahly. And abanye abantu abaningi they blame him ukuthi hey uHappy if wangayenzanga le attack leya. But sometimes as a defender nawe usuke wenza your best ukuthi udefend team yakho. Kwaba ibhadi wa miss time ilentuzana yakhe i-tackle yakhe kwalimala umdlali wathola i-red card. So that was it. And since then akaphindanga waba the same. Ngisho ubona ama-video akhe, ngisho ubona ku-celebrate, you can tell ukuthi there's a void, there's a space in his heart ukuthi since then angaze ngoko-coach ngitreatwe the same since ngenza leya foul leya. And I think lo mbhemu has proven time and time again ukuthi uma ethola i-opportunity uyayisebenzisa. Coach they should have more faith in him because he's a talented boy. He's a talented boy. Awuzwi itori eningi ngaye, there's no drama around his name. So he's a talented boy. And ngaphezu kwaloko udevelop Chiefs, ngaphezu kwaloko uinvestiwe kuyena. So I think for me kumele ayithole i-game time. But ke siyathemba njengabalandeli ukuthi uzoyithola i-game time because there's only 4 of them kuleya position. There's uNkanyiso Shinga osanda kusayinwa, there's uPaseka Mako, kukhona uNkanyiso Shinga, Paseka Mako, uCross bese kuba yena. So there's 4 of them. Abanye ba-releasewe kade bekhona last season. So kubuye ngazuthi ucoach unawo amaplan. And if you check ama-game esiwadlala kule season kwi-league, ama-cup ne-Confederation Cup, uzodingeka, yabo, because abadlali kumele uba-rest, kumele uba-rotate, kumele wenze yonke into. So 4 players kwi-position eyi-1 sesikubonile na kwi-Sundowns ukuthi kuyenzeka. So njengamakhosi siyathemba ukuthi umfana uHappy uzobuya azokwenza into esimazi ngayo. There's igame engiyikhumbulayo owangena nge-second half efakiwe, wafika washaya i-assist, yaskora uMiguel ngekhanda. That's what you need from someone okade ehleli ebhentshini ukuthi okay, kade uhleli nawe sesiyanginikeza ithuba, ngalelo thuba elincane olenzile ufaka igoli. Same thing noVilakazi, abawatholi ama-minute amaningi groundini, kodwa uma bengenile last game sidlala ne-Golden Arrows, secondary assist, igoli. So that's what we need from these young boys, ukuthi babenikeziwe ithuba baphakamisa isandla. So happy, we wish you the best as amakhosi. Nawo wonke abadlali beKaizer abadlala that position siyabasapota. Nkanyiso, Paseka, Cross, nawe siyanisupport abafana, amakhosi for life.